The word I would choose now after my most recent meal is at the well-loved, if not shabby establishment, is elevated or elegant.
Critics come in and review restaurants sometimes. Sometimes they tell us that they're coming, sometimes they don't, sometimes they're anonymous, sometimes they aren't. But when they get their publication finally out, different publications have, like, on Thursdays, we publish the food section of XYZ magazine. This is when we will give out stars. This is when we give out accolades. But certain columns come out just randomly. And it's often not something where the publication will reach out to the restaurant and say, hey, listen, we're coming out with an article on you at XYZ time. It can sometimes be random, and depending on the restaurant and the writer and the publication, it can be sometimes like a blindsided moment, and sometimes it can be something that you dread and that you're not really excited for. Based on Carmen's background, I'm kind of surprised that he didn't come to reading this first, and maybe he has read it and he's just kind of processed it. It's hard to say where he's at, but it's also could be telling that he's moved beyond this kind of like accolade striving, and he's just kind of wanting to cook good food. And same with Sydney, seeming to not really care. But for all the other employees and the staff who is just really excited about being able to cook with these other talented chefs in their life and to be able to elevate with their execution, this is really cool. Like, this is the first positive article that's come out and recognizing them for their hard work.